Hello, welcome to Darkwood Aquaponics. Nigel Harrington's my name. This is a very quick systems update here. I have a new floating raft system over here, which I'll talk to you later, but look at this. My lettuce are ready to sell. I have a whole variety of wasabi reds, mignonettes, cos, butterhead, Lola Rosso here. They're beautiful, those red ones. And I got leafy green and leafy red salad mix. Over here's my incubation chamber. As you can see, they're ready to go. Just have to hop over this pipe here. Yeah, this is the new floating raft system that I purchased. As you can see, looking beautiful. These are my babies down here. I'm using red scoria, and I've planted out some Lamandra hystrix in there. Source of iron for the system. Plus, considering I'm using a recirculating system with water, I figured this red scoria gravel is just genius for adding extra nitrifying bacteria to the system. And my baby's a bit skittish at the moment, but they're doing really, really well. So this system now, this is a plastic tub I got from agricultural suppliers. Plumbed it out, the bulkhead fitting. As you can see from here, water goes out into this solids pre-filter, which you can see down there. Separates solids, then overflows into the biological filter. There's my air pump. This is my biological filter, 1,000 litres. From there it comes, I'm using a variety of netting in here. Don't really see too much in here, but I have a variety of, got milk crates in the bottom here to create a void space. I've got river stone in onion bags about 1 inch thick, and then I put netting on top. It percolates and overflows out down the stormwater pipe here, down to my 3 floating raft beds. This one here, 1 metre. This one over here. I built this out of wooden pallets. See, it's all recycled wood. And I just fitted it out with plywood on the inside of it and butyl rubber liner. I've got air stones every metre, and this is my new system. I'm very happy about this system. I want to show you something here right now. The growth rate. Beautiful, healthy, white roots all the way through. The whole system's like this. I've even put in some Australian native freshwater yabbies in here underneath. Yeah, I really wanted to show you that. Absolutely incredible. Once again, just so you know, this system is so successful, but it relies upon, in order to have a nice white fibrous root system like that, this is how it sucks it. I've got next to no nitrates in this system. What I have to do is add sea salt sometimes, but I had an excess of nitrates previously when I had a hell of a lot greater fish load in here. I'm going to be stocking it up again. Koi are doing really well. Thought I'd show you my babies. Very hard to see them through here, but this camera's picking them up reasonably well. Well, that's it. That's it from me, Nigel Harrington. Hope you enjoy this video. Lettuce are for sale if any locals want to get in